Here you can see I will change the numeric value to word. There is no any built-in feature in Microsoft Word, but in this video you will learn how to add this feature. So let's start. This feature in Microsoft Excel, we will need a script to add. For this, press Alt F11 from the insert, click on module. The script I have shared in the description of this video. You can find the link. This is the script. To copy this, press Ctrl A to select all and right and press Ctrl C to copy. Here press Ctrl V to paste it. Okay, and just minimize it. I have a sample file with some figures. First of all, save it. Click on save and select the path to save. I'm going to save on my desktop. Here you can rename, uh, for example, number to word. From the type, select the Excel macro enabled workbook and save it. Now type is equal to spell number. You can see the formula and select the digit that you want to convert from number to word and bracket close. Here you can see it's converted. You can drag all the numbers. Now if you want to change it to the uppercase, type is equal to upper bracket spell number bracket close and bracket close. Now it's converted all to uppercase. In case if you want to make the first letter in capital, use the proper function. Type is equal to proper spell number bracket close and again bracket close. Now drag it to the end. Here you can see the first letter is now in capital